Sit comfortable, palm on the knee, and drop the shoulder behind. Deep inhale, raise up your stomach, and exhale, flattening your stomach. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. Namaste everyone, and now we will start class with the deep inhale. Raise your hand up over the head, and exhale, round your back and breathe out. Inhale, open more the chest, and exhale, round your back, chin to the chest. Last round, inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, raise up your hand. Exhale, twist to the right side. Inhale, raise up hand. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, twist to the right. Inhale, high hand up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, exhale to the right. And stay here for a few seconds. Inhale, exhale to the left. 3, 4, and 5. And now we release the left. We make another twist. Clock the right leg over the left leg. Child the sitting bone. Stick on the mat. No raise up. Sitting bone. 2 sides. Inhale, raise up the hand. Exhale, forward fold. More. Walk your hand in front a little bit if you can, and feel every muscle here stretching. Deep inhale, deep exhale. And now release the leg. And bring the left leg over the right leg. Sitting bone on the mat. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Forward fold and walk your hand a little bit in front. Very good. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, and slowly walk your hand back. Release your leg. Very good. Now bring your hand behind the back and inhale, raise up the body. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, raise up your hand. Exhale, forward fold. Head touch the knee. Stretching whole the body. Yes. Stay here for a few seconds. Beautiful. Inhale, hand up. Exhale, release your hand. One more time. Inhale, raise up the hip higher as much as you can. And exhale, drop it down. Inhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, release your hand. Last round. Push the body up. Exhale, drop it down. And now, bend the knee. Bring your left cross. Left leg straight, right leg cross. Then, with deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale, bring your left leg over the right leg, and we make a twist and turn the body to the right shoulder. Inhale, exhale. And now we change the leg. Bring the right leg over the left leg and straighten. Inhale and we make another twist. Exhale, breathe out. Keep focus in your breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale, release. And shake it out. Now we cross the left leg and bend the right leg. Inhale, hand up. Exhale, bring your left hand over and twist to the right side. Try to sit straighten, sit nice and long. Yes. Inhale, hand up. Exhale, release and chin left. Bring your left leg over the right leg. Deep inhale, exhale. Look in your left shoulder. Try to sit straight and nice and long. Open more the chest. Yes, very good. Inhale, exhale, release. Relax, release your hand and shake it out. Now, we stand in front of the mat and that hang here forward fold. Stay here for 5 seconds. Try to straighten the leg. Inhale, raise up your hand over there. Exhale to prayer posture. Inhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. And try to straighten your knee, straighten your leg. Head touch the knee. Just stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep inhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, prayer posture. Inhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, forward fold again. And jump back or walk back. Knee down. Chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Open mother chest, look up. Exhale, downward dog. From here, bend your elbow and look up. Go to dolphin posture. Try to stretch a little bit more the leg and the body. And now go to downward facing dog. Bend the knee, jump back or walk back. Forward fold. Head touch the knee. Inhale, hand up, look up, bend back. Prayer posture. Now that exhale, forward fold. Sit down, straighten your leg, and lie down on the mat. Put your hand beside the body, palm down, and bend the knee, straighten the knee, and go to shoulder stand. With your hand support, straighten your leg, and drop your right leg down, touch the floor, left leg straighten. And chain leg, left leg down, right leg straighten. Sit on posture support for her. She has beautiful skin. And now keep doing. And two legs touch the floor with the control. Very good. And drop the hand down. And now slowly with the hand support, straighten your leg and bend the knee. Slowly drop the body down and use the hand as the knee. Return the posture. Very good. Just feel relaxed. And keep breathe in, breathe out. Now release your leg. Bring your body up. Bend your knee. Bend your neck. We go the peace spot. Bend your elbow down. And go to peace spot. You can bring the hand over the head, or the hand that has the knee, or the heels of choice. And slowly inhale, bring the body up and release. Go to tabletop, cat and cow. Deep inhale, look up, open the chest. Exhale, round the back, look at the belly. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, round the back, look at the belly. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, round the back, chin to the chest. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, round the back, look at the belly. Inhale and release the posture. We go to camel pose. Inhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, drop your right hand to the heel, left hand to the left heel, and go to camel pose. Try to stay here. Focus in your breathe in, breathe out. And now release your left hand, release your right hand, and go to child pose. Try to bring the chest to the mat and make your spine nice and long. Beautiful. Now, change side. Sit nice and long. Sit on the knee. Inhale, hand up, left hand up, and go another way. Go to camel pose. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Right hand up, left hand up, and untouch the toe. Open more the knee. Sit back your heel and go to child pose. The chest and your head on the mat. Make your spine nice and long. Walk your hand a little bit in front. Very good. And slowly lie down on the mat. Now, bring the hand beside the body, palm down. Go to bridge pose. Chin to the chest. Stay here and exhale down. Now, has the knee. Very good. Turn the body left and right. Massage your body up and down. Massage your lower back. And bring your hand. Shoulder level. Drop your knee to the right side, to the left side, and we make a twist. Knee drop to the right, head to the left. This posture very helpful if you have a lower back pain. Keep practice it if you have. And now we go the right leg, cross over left leg, and we stretching our thigh and opening the hip. And chain left leg over the right leg. And we hold the right thigh. Keep stretching, yes, and release. And now shake it out. Go to happy baby pose. Try to press the knee down on the mat and stretching more the hip, our inner thigh, and slowly straighten your legs, straighten your hand, palm up the ceiling and look at the sky. You can gently close your eye. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale, raise up your stomach, and exhale, try to flatten it. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Relax your toe, relax your ankle, relax your thigh, relax your stomach, relax your chest, and relax your neck. Relax your whole body from head to toe. Relax your mouth, relax your nose, relax your head, and relax the whole body from head to toe. You feel very nice and you feel very calm. Now move your toe a bit and deep inhale, bring your hand over the head. Enjoy the deep stretching. And exhale, release. Turn your body to the right side with the hand support. Push your body, sit up. And the eyes still closed. Sit on the prayer posture. The palm up the ceiling and close your eyes. Keep focus in your breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now wrap your hand with some warmth. Bring the warmth to your eyes. Some more. Wrap your hand, bring the warmth to the chin, your neck, and your shoulder, your chest, and the lower back. Hand to prayer posture, chin to the chest. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Last deep breath in, deep breath out. Chin to the chest. And focus in your deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Chin to the chest. Forward fold. Namaste everyone for practice with me. Remember to subscribe and follow me to for next video. Thank you and see you.